The story of Prophet Mussa, Moses, and the magician Samry is mentioned in the Quran, particularly in Surah Taha and other chapters. Background of the event: when Prophet Mussa, Moses, led the Israelites out of Egypt, saving them from the tyranny of Pharaoh by Allah's command. He was later called to Mount Sinai, Tur, to receive divine revelation. Prophet Mussa stayed there for 40 days. During his absence, the Israelites were left under the care of his brother, Prophet Harun, Aaron. The role of Samry: while Prophet Mussa was away, a man named Samry deceived the Israelites. He asked them to gather their gold and jewelry, which he melted and molded into a calf that produced sounds. Samry falsely claimed that this calf was their god, and the god of Mussa. Many among the Israelites fell for this deception and began worshiping the calf. Prophet Harun's, Aaron, efforts. Prophet Harun tried to stop the Israelites from worshiping the calf, reminding them that their true Lord was Allah alone and that this idol had no power. However, most of the people did not listen to him and continued their idolatry. Prophet Mussa's return: when Prophet Mussa returned and saw his people worshiping the golden calf, he was furious. He rebuked Prophet Harun for not stopping them and then turned to Samry, asking why he had done this. Samry explained that he had taken some dust from the footprints of an angel and cast it into the molten calf, causing it to make sounds. Punishment of Samry: following Allah's command, Prophet Mussa expelled Samry from the community and cursed him with isolation, so that he would live his life separated from others. Prophet Mussa also burned the golden calf and scattered its ashes into the sea. Afterward, he guided the Israelites back to the true worship of Allah. This story reminds us that faith and patience are essential, and that worshiping Allah alone is the path to success, while worldly deceptions must be resisted.